Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So today we will be discussing about how to search or how to solve a problem using Doubtnut app. Doubtnut is a widely used app which gives a solution, which gives a good solution. So today we will be discussing that how to solve your sums through this. So we need to do that. We need to open the app and then we will get a doubt option in that. We need to click on it and then our interface which will ask that by which method you need to feed the data into it. So I will be clicking the pic. See, I have adjusted my camera and then getting ready to click the pic. And now I will crop my picture nicely so that it will be adjusted so that I could get the actual answer. Otherwise, two questions if we get mixed, then it is very not possible to get the answer. See, we have got the answer. We need not to go through this interface. Here is a video, but if you will go to Google, you will get the solution, means written solution. See, I have got the solution 168 centimeter. Yes, it's correct. 784 minus 660 equal to 168 centimeter, which is a correct answer. So mission is accomplished. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for more technological videos. Share our channel, like